Hello my darlings and welcome. Today I'm going to create a page in my Book of Shadows for a love drawing spell bag. Depending on your intentions when you make it, this bag can be used to bring you love or increase your self-love. Let's do some magical crafting. If you'd like to download a PDF of this grimoire page, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs, and I'll continue to add new downloadable content as I do more projects on the channel. If you'd like to see how I set up my watercolor palette, I have a separate video on that process, and I'll leave a link to it below. When I design a page in my Book of Shadows, I start with a pencil sketch. Often I'll use a kneadable eraser to remove some of the graphite to make the sketch lines lighter, and then I go over it with waterproof ink, and then erase my pencil lines. And finally, I go back in with watercolor paint to add color and backgrounds. Roses are the flower most commonly associated with love. Being the flower of love, roses have long been used in magic for love spells. Roses were found to have been buried in Egyptian tombs as an offering to the goddess Isis. Use roses in magic to enhance intuition, beauty, confidence, and sexuality. Lavender promotes happiness and calmness. Wear lavender perfume or add lavender to your beauty and love spells to bring your next lover to you. This flower is good for use in love spells and sachets and is most commonly associated with love, devotion, purity, and grace. Because of apples' red color and sweet scent, they're often used in love spells. The apple tree was also known as the tree of love. Add 3 apple seeds into your spell bag to attract love. Rose quartz is probably the most well-known crystal to support self-love and heart-centered energy. It's believed that when Ares wounded Adonis in combat, Aphrodite rushed to the side of Adonis, her lover, and in her haste, she caught herself on a thorn. Blood from the lovers dripped onto clear crystal and stained it pink as a lasting symbol of their love. Cinnamon is often used in love magic. It's one of the most versatile magical spices around. This sweet wood is associated with Venus and Aphrodite. Lemon peel is known to draw both love and friendship, the perfect pairing for a lasting romantic relationship. Lemon is also used for self-love and in magic to ensure fidelity in a lover. Star anise is used in many love, passion, and fertility spells. It's associated with the sun and the Greek god Apollo, and it's said that the scent of anise will stir up lust. Star anise was used in the precursors to the modern-day wedding cake. I've also created a video of me making the love drawing sigil and the love drawing spell bag using the recipe on this grimoire page. If you're interested in watching either of those videos, I'll put a link to both of them below. Remember that the herbal, floral, and crystal correspondences that I've chosen are all based on my personal spell bag and magical workings. You don't need to use as many herbs as I do, and you can personalize your ingredients to focus on what's important to you. If you decide to make a love draw spell bag, I hope that this video has given you some ideas for ingredients and that you manifest the love that you desire in your life. Enjoy the rest of the speed paint without further commentary.